One does not have to be a highly qualified scientist to understand the basic principles of wildlife management. Wildlife management is actually more common sense than anything else. One of the simplest and most important things to understand about wildlife management is that it can only be applied to individual animal populations, one at a time. It cannot be applied to an animal species as a whole. A species can be defined as a group of animals or plants that share the same physical characteristics and which, when they breed, produce fertile offspring with the same physical and, in the case of animals, behavioral characteristics. A population can be defined as a group of animals of the same species, the individuals of which interact with each other on a daily basis, and they breed only with other animals in the same group. The African elephant, the species, occurs in 150 different populations right across the length and breadth of its range, from the mountains of Ethiopia in the north to the arid plains of Botswana and Namibia in the south. They live in a wide variety of very different habitats, from swamplands and evergreen forests to grassland savannas, deciduous woodlands, and very dry deserts. Elephant interaction with humans is very different wherever they come together. No two elephant-man circumstances are the same. Each population of elephants, therefore, lives in a totally different environment to any other elephant population, and their interaction with man is equally variable. Each population's management needs is unique to itself, and the same criterion applies to any and all other animal species. All these factors combined make it impossible for man to manage a species. Realistically, a species can only be managed at the individual population level. So why bother to even talk about endangered species? That terminology only confuses the wildlife management issue. In fact, from a wildlife management point of view, there is no such thing as an endangered species.